Hi there, this is just a quick update of what I'm going to be attempting to grow this coming growing season with many varieties of fruit and vegetables, more so vegetables than fruit. I've got blackberry and raspberries in the garden and strawberries, funny enough. So I'm going to be growing those with a degree of success, I imagine. But please come along for the journey and subscribe and like. As you can see, there is a lot of seeds here and a wide variety of them also. So I'm really excited to get started. Such a wonderful array of vegetables, and I'll have obviously the tomatoes in the greenhouse, and then there's blackcurrant and raspberries in the garden also. In this little tub is thousands of petunia seeds, trailing petunia seeds that I harvested last year, or sorry, the year before. So what I intend to do is I intend to grow these. These are the water buckets that I'll be growing my potatoes in this year. Starting with obviously first earlies, and then second earlies, and then main crop in later on in the year. I might give carrots a go in these as well. So we will see how we go. It'll be just a journey, a roller coaster journey of what we can plant and see how it grows.